Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you some tips and tricks with Facebook Messenger today. So we are just going to jump right in. So once you open up your Messenger app, and you can access this through Facebook as well. So all that you have to do is open up your Facebook, the top right hand corner. You can also activate your Messenger. So you can do that from there if you would like. Once you open that up, you are going to see everything on my screen right now is my active messages that I currently have going with friends and business partners and group messages. Everything is now streamed in one place. So before, you used to be able to go to multiple places to access group messages and things like that, which a lot of people are bummed about, but we're just going to roll with it. So these are all of my active messages right now. In the bottom three icons, usually the middle icon will show you. We all know Facebook had a little glitch there for a whole 24 hours. Nobody knew what to do. So usually this will show you the active number of people who are online. Mine average from about 500 to 900 people online at one time. I really recommend not posting unless that number is between 600 and 700. So if you do have a post ready to go, that number is super low, I would go ahead and wait. You can see everyone who's online here. So if you're messaging or following up, I would definitely do this. And if it's early in the morning or late at night, only to people who are showing active right here in this space. A lot of people call that green light messaging. So I also want to show you some different tools and tricks at the very top right hand corner. If you click the little icon of the person with a plus sign, that's going to pull up a whole bunch of different options for you. First, it's going to show you that you can add people right here to your messenger by pulling up their phone number, picking them from your contacts, and also the scan code, which is something I want to show you. So if you click on scan code, if you click on my code, this is going to pull up your personal code for your Facebook. So let's say that you're at an event or a networking event. Maybe you're just connecting with people when you're out and about, and you want to get them over to your social media, of course. This is going to be what you pull up. So this is your personal Facebook code. And if they pull theirs up as well, all that you have to do is click on scan code. And this is going to pull up your camera. So all you have to do is hold your phone over their code on their phone, and boom, you are instantly connected to them. So this is just a really great tool that you want to make sure you are maximizing. Also, you can see that the story option in Messenger is all right here. So everyone who I am friends with, their story is posted all across that top line of my feed. Messenger is so huge, but story is even bigger for this year. So your stories are actually going to surpass the number of people who see you in their newsfeed. They're going to see your stories more. So this is a tool that you want to start utilizing right now. 5 to 10 to 15 times a day, sometimes even more depending on the community and how much you're networking. So to add to your story, all you have to do is click the add story button. And so when you do that, that's going to open up your camera roll. So this is my view right now. So let's say that I'm doing something fun. I'm going to snap a quick picture. And we can create a poll. We can ask a fun question with a yes or no answer. We can write text over the image. You can click on that and it's going to pull up just a whole bunch of fun features. Your location, what time it is, what day of the week it is. Again, you can create another poll. You can have tons of different fun little stickers. And then you can also draw on your image too. So this is just really, really fun. To add it to your story, you just click add to story, and it's going to give you an option to add it to your story or send it to a group or in a private message, which is really fun options that you can also have. You can hit save at the very bottom left-hand corner, and that will save it to your camera roll too. So that is definitely an option. And if you want to upload a picture from your camera roll, the bottom left, you can click on that little icon, the little square, and that's your entire camera roll. So you can pull up tons of different things from there. You can also do videos. You can simply type text, but you want to make sure that you are utilizing this option every single day. It is so huge. People will see more of your stories than you actually coming up in their feed. So definitely take advantage of that, you guys. Next, I want to show you the Discover page. So the Discover page is just another way that you can get yourself in a group, start networking. You can explore on there, whatever you're interested in. So you can explore around that page as well, and maybe you'll find something really interesting for yourself. And at the top left of every corner, you're gonna see your profile. So you guys can see really quickly all of my active my active number just came up. So you guys can see that the bottom middle icon. That's how many people are active on my Facebook right now. So if you click on the top left icon, which is your profile picture on any of these that you're on, it's going to pull up tons of different features for you guys. So you can pull up the messages from your business pages or group pages. You can pull those up here under pages. You can also edit things in your profile. So your active status, if you want people to know if you're online or not, your username, your phone number is here, your notifications, you can turn on do not disturb. You can show previews of messages. You can turn on story notifications. You can also turn on and off your unread message button. And then also you can have payments. So instead of using a third-party app like PayPal or Venmo or some Cash App, something like those, you can start sending and receiving payments all through Messenger, which is so amazing. You can also have secret conversations. So that's just an encrypted message that you're having with someone that no one else can see. No one else has access to it. And it's super fun. You can select how long that message will be available, things like that. And then you also see tons of different features here, from your data to your storage, your assistant, emojis, translations. You can add multiple accounts onto one Messenger account, which is super convenient if you're running a business or if you have multiple accounts. So that's definitely an option as well. So I want to show you it's just some options that are in the group settings. So if you open up a group, you guys are going to be able, and let me show you super quick how to start a group. So the top right hand corner where you see the little pencil almost over the paper to start a new message, you're just going to click on that. And you can start selecting people that you want to put into your group. And then you'll just hit OK. And you can start the message right here. Once you start the message, you can name the message, which is so much fun. You can also change the color of the message too. And I want to show you some features that you guys have once you create a group. So you have the payments option, of course. You have the location option. So let's say you're meeting some friends or teammates when you're going to dinner or coffee or having a power hour somewhere. You can share the location right there, which is an awesome way for everyone to access it at one time. You have the option to play games, the option for polls. And I love using the poll option to know, I asked my teammates, do you need more training on Instagram or Facebook? Do you have questions about enrolling customers versus distributors? So it's just a really great tool to use to get to know your team more, get to know what they need more from you. You can do, maybe you have a group with your girlfriends. Where does everyone want to go for dinner between those two options? So that's definitely a fun tool that you can use. Also, for the reminders tool, you can see at the top of this message here, there's a new distributor training tonight for my team at 9:30. So this is a really fun tool that you guys can access just by going to reminders, and you can set a reminder. So you would just hit new reminder, and you can title the reminder or the event, whatever it is, select the time, the location. Under more options, you can set an alert. So you can alert them if it's 5 minutes before, all the way up to a week before. And you can also, once you do that, people can click going or not going, which is really cool. And then you can jump on and take a quick picture. You can pull up your camera roll with that next button. You can do a voice message, which is so much fun. So these are just some really cool ways that you can start accessing your group messages and really start utilizing the tools that are there for you. So if you click on this, you're going to see the people who are in this message. You can add people, you can call, you can do video messages, you can mute the message. So let's say if you want to mute it, you can mute it for 15 minutes or until you turn it back on. You can select whichever option you want. You can change the color of the message like I taught you earlier. You can change the emoji for the message. You can nickname people, which is really fun. You can see all of the group members in it. And then you can invite to group with a link. So let's say you just got to grab that link and message it over to someone and they can jump on right from there. You can turn on your notifications, send money, leave the chat. Here, there's tons of different ways you can see pictures, different things like that. So this is so huge. Next, I want to show you how you can forward a voice message. And so let's say that I just record a quick voice message just like this, and I really can say anything. Maybe you're sending a happy birthday message out to people. Maybe you're sending an encouraging message or a follow-up message. Whatever it is, all you have to do is record it and send it, and then you can forward it to anyone that you are friends with online. You could also create a group and send it that way as well. So, and then they can just play that message right there, which is so cool and so much fun that you are able to forward messages. And these are just a few tips that I wanted to share with you guys. My last tip is the newest feature for Facebook, and that is the night shift. So we are going to, all you need to do is click the little smiley face right there. Like you're going to start a new message, click emoji, and then you are going to hit the moon and hit send. And as it is raining the moon, you are going to simply go back to the icon at the top left corner. And this is going to allow you to access the dark mode on Messenger, which is a really fun feature. And all you have to do is turn it on. And then you have now accessed the dark mode online, which is so fun for Messenger, and you can just jump right on, turn that off. It's just a really cool feature that they just launched, and I hope that these tips have helped you today. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post them below. I am so excited to see what you do when you begin accessing all of these tools, and I am so cheering you on, and I hope that you love this.